Alright, and I'm back. Just want to make a quick little update video for on the CRV. Alright, so yeah, let me turn the camera around here. Alright, so in the last video I was talking about how I needed to get the thing detailed. Well, after further inspection, and I will show you what I'm talking about in a minute. After further inspection, myself and my cousin Patrick from PatsVlogs decided, you know what, we will detail this thing ourselves and save a little bit of money, and yeah. So let me show you what the problem is we run into. Of course, first off, you notice, look how much cleaner everything is. Obviously, I mean, three containers of Armor All cleaning wipes, and if you notice, yep, no more carpet. The carpet is gone. Because back here in this section, especially in this section right here and all back through here, can you believe it? There was mold on the carpet. And I'm talking about some nasty ass, terrible mold from, I don't know. And it smelled like just dirty old rotten dog in here. Like there was 18 dirty old mutts in this thing or something. I don't know. But so we ended up having to tear the carpet completely out. Look how nice and clean that thing come out too. Of course, you know, if you don't have a CRV, you know, this is cup holder and doubles as a table, you know, so it's pretty cool. So yeah, I mean, you can see it definitely a lot cleaner. Put me a nice little steering wheel cover on there. Can't hardly see that, but got my baby on board signs. Yep, see how clean they are. And of course, yeah, like I said, you know, we had to pull the carpet out of it because it was beyond cleanable. Now the seats, let me see if I can raise this up a little bit. No, I can't really. Now you can see there's still a little bit of stains on the seats, on the back seats, because that was really hard to get out. But for the most part, I got it all really clean. But let's go over here and look at the other side, because if you remember, the other side, the seat was really bad. So you can kind of see, you know, it's still stained up a little bit here and there, but the seat's nice and clean. And that was really stained up. We managed to clean that a little bit. But yeah, it just with the mold in here and everything, it was really bad. And we got that for the most part, mostly clean. You know, that's for the racing bucket seat that we have back here. Got that sticker off too. Simply because this is the family ride, mainly for the baby. You know, we definitely couldn't do anything with that carpet. There was no cleaning that. We'll take a look at what I've done back here. Of course, the obvious. If you guys remember that on the back of the Civic, I figure put it on here. Alright, so that mat that was laying down here was the same way. It's like that thing set in a dog kennel or something. So this nice little piece of carpet, and you see it fits perfect, but it comes in a big square piece from Walmart, actually. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of like a rubber on the back side. Yeah, it's kind of, yeah, it's about 1/8 of an inch thick, but not too bad. So I just simply laid it down and Sharpied where it needed to be cut and shaped it to fit the back here, and it's perfect. It's great, minus hair that I got on there for some reason. And you know, I just put a little slit in there to have, you know, have those come through, and so that holds it, you know, holds it down in the back here. And I just put a little hole in there because this is supposed to hold, you know, that little piece down. So I just simply let that hold down, same way in that corner. And I got a little bit of material left over. And you know, got the essentials to carry in the back of a vehicle in here, you know, fire extinguisher and yep. Yeah, so if you guys want a funny story, I'll tell you what, you see that? Drop in the comments below if you know what a POO box is, or what you think a POO box is. I'm not even going to open up and show you, but if you know what a POO box is, drop a comment below and let me know, because trust me, it is a essential thing. If you do any kind of traveling, and a POO box is such an essential thing to have in your vehicle, because it's very helpful. Alright, we'll go up here and take a look under the hood. And of course, if you notice, I put me a little light bar on there, 22-inch light bar. It's like 7,400 lumens, I do believe. And of course I put LED bulbs for the headlights as well. Nothing special, stock, you know, B20, like Z2 I think is what it is, something like that. Of course I had this tube lying around, so I got a filter and a coupler for it. Put in a fuse panel for any other accessories that I want to hook up or whatever. Of course the only thing right now is the light bar. Basically bone stock. I'll show you one last thing that I think is really cool about this CR-V. Is these little spots here. You can take these out. The rocker switch fits in there perfectly. Yeah, there's a little bit of a gap right there, but you know, it fits in there perfect for the Sasquatch lights there. And one other spot, let me show you. If you notice, no more of that grunginess, and no more pine needles. See how clean that is? Much better, huh? Well, there you have it. CR-V, all nice and clean, ready to roll. No carpet, but there's no mold in there either. So it's ready to roll, and go ahead and strap the baby in and see what kind of adventures we can get into. So if you like this video, drop a comment. As I said, if you think you know what a POO box is, drop a comment and let me know. Because maybe I'll make a video. Well, I'll explain the POO box in a video. So, but yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Maybe hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And we'll see you in the next video. Maybe some more CR-V adventures or something like that. Alright.